CrowdStrike, shouts to Heaven. So Heaven called this one out. We were looking at the cybersecurity names. This wasn't on my radar very strong, but I saw the positive action, and I was knowing internally I would love to have some risk on long cybersecurity, knowing everything that's going on in Russia, Ukraine, things like that. It's going to be a hot sector into this. So I buy this 192 area, and I almost have 2 trades going on. So I'm giving half my position just to this 186.50, then I'm giving the other half down all the way down to this 177.50 area here. So I get the move in my favor, sick 2-day move, 192, and I'm taking off, 205, 207. I took half my position off, and that was the position that I bought against 186.50. So, I was buying $5.50 risk. I'm selling for, what is that, 192, 204, $12, $14. Some good risk reward on my side. And now if this wants to continue higher, I have the macro swing stock on my side. So you can see I kind of had almost 2 different trades going on. And, it's able to, so I can take advantage of short-term moves as well as think longer-term about the trade.